and help her. Peace. Peace. I've got peace. Oh, to put him up your nose. Yes, I'm going to put him up your nose. You don't open your mouth, I'm going to put him in your nose.
That's not nice,
Mommy.
Mommy.
Put him in your nose. Peace. Open. A couple of really good bites. Can you do some more little bites for me? You're way too busy checking this little high chair thing out, huh? Oh, you help? Are we gonna help? Yeah, open your mouth, put it in there. Hey, pea girl. How was that supposed to
That was a quick goal.
Yeah, you get your pee bib on. It was no luck for Jackson, but we'll try it again with you. Jackson never did eat peas. Here you go. Hey. Hey, big girl. Peace. Peace. All you have to do is open your mouth and Mommy will give them to you. Oh! That was a good one. You got it. They're getting cold. You better hurry. Cold peas aren't very good. Nobody likes cold peas. Cold, mushed up peas. Yum. Yeah, I agree. Good girl. And they're bright green, aren't they? They're like neon. That was a terrible bite, Lucy. Peas! Say peas! You like peas? I like peas. Yummy, yummy peas. Oh, goodness, let's not do that. You don't like it when you do that. You get very mad about it. You don't like it shoved in your throat. Thank you for helping. I'll give you a turn if you could be a little more controlled with it. Peas? Got more peas? Look in your bowl. There's more peas. So you're going to put your face through the tray? Is that so? Yeah. Oh, you put the open, not just smile. Open. Open. Whoop. Whoop. Peas.
Oh no.
She was not happy with that bite.
Alright, Jenelle.
Let me snip that one in.
But she